Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to discuss tricks to solve NEET questions under the unit D and F block elements. So, before entering into the questions, let me give a short introduction regarding what is D block elements, what is F block elements. First, let me take D block elements. The D block elements of the periodic table contains the elements of the groups 3 to 12 in the long form of periodic table, in which the d orbitals are progressively filled in each of the 4 long periods. These elements are called d block elements or transition elements. Kindly follow. D block elements are also known as transition elements. Why it is called transition? Because the properties when you study, it is in between S block and B block elements, so it is called transition elements. There are mainly 3 series of transition metals, that is 3D series, scandium from zinc, 4D series, yttrium and the cadmium, 5D series, lanthanum and 2 mercury. The fourth 6D series, which begins with actinium, still incomplete. Next, let me come for the F block elements. The elements constituting the F block elements are those in which the 4f and 5f orbitals are progressively filled in the latter 2 long periods, where these elements are called F block elements or inner transition elements. Please follow. D block elements are called transition elements. F block elements are called inner transition elements. Now, the inner transition element, that is, there are 2 series of inner transition element metals. That is, one is 4f, another is 5f, are known as lanthanides and actinides. Lanthanides will be containing progressively filled 4f, and actinides will be 5f progressively filled respectively. So, with these introductions, let me go into the questions. Kindly follow me. I am Professor Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. Question number 1. This question was asked in NEET 2016. Please follow. The first question, it was asked in NEET 2016. Let me read the question, follow me. When copper is heated with corn nitric acid, it produces A. Copper nitrate and NO, B. Copper nitrate NO and NO2, C. Copper nitrate and N2O, and D. Copper nitrate and NO2. So these are the options are given. So actually, the metals, kindly follow, this is the most important information. Whenever there are 3 important mineral acids are present, one is concentrated SCl, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. When the alkali and alkali metals, when they are react with the dilute acid, normally liberate hydrogen. But when you go for nitric acid and sulfuric acid, when you treat with concentrated acid, hydrogen will not be produced because it is a powerful oxidizing agent. It is oxidizing that correspondingly, producing the corresponding NO, NO2, same way SO2, etc. So these are the information you must know. So in the electrochemical series, above hydrogen, the metal present in the above hydrogen will behave different way, and below the hydrogen in the electrochemical series will behave different way. This you must have a clear idea about each acid. First, action of dilute acid, then action of concentrated acid. The third, the action of alkali and alkali metals and P block metals. And coming for transition metal, you should be very careful regarding with the electrochemical series. Kindly follow. So now in this question, let me see you what is happening when we treat with nitric acid. Kindly follow. Metals, I told you already, lying above hydrogen in the reduction electrochemical series, such as copper, bismuth, silver, these are the metal above hydrogen, and mercury, do not liberate hydrogen from acid. Please follow. They will not liberate hydrogen from these metals. In this case, the action of nitric acid involves only the oxidation of metal into metallic oxides, which dissolve in the acid to form nitrates, accompanied by evolution of NO or NO2. This is the common reaction. Please follow with nitric acid, dilute nitric acid. Now, kindly follow. So when you treat with action of dilute nitric acid on metal, copper, when treat with nitric acid, copper nitrate, deep blue color, along with water and NO2, it is formed. Noble metals like gold, platinum, rhodium, iridium are not attacked by nitric acid. Gold and platinum, however, are attacked by the aqua regia, that is 3:1 carnassial and nitric acid. 3 parts of carnassial, 1 part of nitric acid. So, kindly follow here. So, I have already given it is the dilute nitric acid. So, in the case of concentrated nitric acid, what is happening? It is still powerful. So, it reacts with the concentrated nitric acid with copper. The product will be copper nitrate and NO2. This is the final answer for this question. Kindly follow. Next question. Question number 2. This question was asked in 2016. Let me read the question. Which one of the following statements is correct? Please follow, underline. When sulfur dioxide is passed through atropine potassium dichromate solution. Potassium dichromate is a powerful oxidizing agent, we know. So what are the options are given? 1. The solution is decolorized. Sulfur dioxide is reduced. Green chromic sulfate is formed. The solution turns blue. These are the 4 options. So what is the correct answer? What happens when potassium dichromate is treated with by passing sulfur dioxide gas? Acidified potassium dichromate, that is the most important. Kindly follow. When hydrogen gas is passed through acidified solution of potassium dichromate, it reduces orange colored potassium dichromate into green color chromium sulfate. So chromium sulfate, kindly follow. So this is the formula. Chromium sulfate. This is the green color. So this is it is actually formed. So this is the answer for this question. Kindly follow. Question now, option C is the correct answer. Green chromic sulfate is formed. Next question. Question number 3. It was asked in NEET 2017. Name the gas that can readily decolorize acidified potassium permanganate solution. So just now we have discussed the gas that is treated with potassium dichromate. Now they are asking potassium permanganate. Which gas will be decolorizing? Potassium permanganate also is a powerful reducing agent. Actually, it is converted, undergo reduction to produce manganese sulfate in the case of dilute sulfuric acid. Mn2 plus. So, oxidation state from +7, it is changing to +2. So, powerful the oxidizing agent undergo reduction. The question is, name the gas that can readily decolorize acidified potassium permanganate. A. P2O5, CO2, SO2 and NO2. What is the correct answer? Now let me write the equation here. Potassium permanganate in presence of sulfuric acid medium, when you pass sulfur dioxide, the potassium permanganate undergo reduction manganese sulfate and potassium sulfate and water. Kindly follow. So automatically the sulfur dioxide is undergoing oxidation to sulfate. Please follow. Permanganate undergo reduction. So automatically the pink color of potassium permanganate gets decolorized by sulfur dioxide. This is the answer. So correct answer is SO2. Please follow. Question number 4. This question was asked in the NEET 2017. Let me read the question. Kindly follow. The reason for greater range of oxidation state in actinides is attributed to, that is comparatively they are with lanthanides, they are saying. The reason for greater range of the oxidation state in actinides is attributed due to A. 4F and 5D levels being close in energies. 2. The radioactive nature of actinoids. 3. Actinoid contraction. And 4. 5F, 6D and 7S level having comparable energy. So probably this answer may be correct. So let me see which one is correct. Kindly follow. Okay, so now it is given clearly. The answer is 4. That is 5F, 6D and 7S levels having comparable energies, so that actinide shows greater range of oxidation state because of 5F, 6D, 7S levels having comparable energy. This is the reason for the question. The correct answer is 4. Please follow. Next question. Question 5. Asked in NEET 2019. Let me read the question. Which one is malachite from the following? So normally in the isolation of element, we have come across a number of ores, names of the ores. So that should be, you have to memorize as per our syllabus. Different types of ore, oxide ore, sulfide ore, the halide ore, silicate ore, phosphate ore, every number of ores are there. So your syllabus you have to memorize, because they may ask. This is one of the questions from the memory. There is no theoretical explanation. Only from the memory. Which is malachite? The formula they have given. A, Fe3O4, 2, CuCO3, CuOH2, 3, CuFeS2, and 4, CuOH2. What is the, which is one? Malachite. Probably 2 may be the correct answer. Let us see. Yes, correct answer is 2 is the correct answer. That is copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. The mixer, we are calling it as malachite. From this, we are extracting copper. Question number 6. Please follow. This question was asked in 2020. 2020. Identify the incorrect statement. So they are giving 2 statements they are giving. Identify the, 4 statements they are giving. They are asked to identify the incorrect statement. Please follow incorrect. Number 1, interstitial compounds are those that are formed when small atoms like hydrogen, carbon or nitrogen are trapped inside the crystal lattice of metals. This we have already discussed under the solid state. Number 2, the oxidation states of chromium in CrO4 2 minus and Cr2O7 2 minus are not same. This is the second. Third one, Cr2 plus having D4 configuration is a stronger reducing agent than Fe2 plus D6 in water. And fourth, the transition metals and their compounds are known for their catalytic activity due to their ability to adopt multiple oxidation states and to form complexes. Kindly follow, my dear students. So you have to carefully read the statement one by one. So, and then you have to find out which is the incorrect statement. Kindly follow. The interstitial compounds are those that are formed when small atom are trapped inside the crystal. It is correct. Coming for second one, the oxidation set of chromium in chromate CrO4 2 minus and Cr2O7 2 minus are not same. So what we have to do, we have to calculate oxidation state. What is the oxidation state of chromate? We can now let me calculate. See here, so chromium plus 8 minus is equal to minus 2. So that chromium equal to plus 8 minus 2, it is plus 6. Kindly follow. The oxidation state of chromium and chromium 2 minus and chromium 2 are not same. So this is 6. Now come for dichromate, let me follow. In the dichromate, there are 2 Cr plus 7 2 minus 2 equal to minus 2. This is according to oxidation state calculation. So I will write now 2 Cr minus 14 equal to minus 2. So 2 Cr equal to plus 14 minus 2, that is plus 12. Then Cr equal to by 2 plus 6. So in both cases, CrO4 2 minus and Cr2O7 2 minus, the oxidation state are same. But what the statement is given? The oxidation state of chromium are not same. This is the incorrect. In both cases, oxidation state of chromium is plus 6. My dear students, this is the correct answer. Let us verify. So, this is the correct answer. That is, kindly follow. Number 2 is the correct answer. The oxidation states of chromium and Cr2O4 2 minus and Cr2O2 minus are not same. No, it is not correct. Both having the oxidation state of plus 6, same oxidation state. Okay, let me go for the next question. Question number 7. This question was asked in 2020. Please follow. Urea, you know the formula urea, NH2CO NH2. Urea reacts with water to form A, the compound A, which will decompose to form B. B, when passed through copper 2 plus, deep blue color solution C is formed. What is the formula for C from the following? So this is the question asked. Kindly follow. Urea reacts with water to form A, which will decompose to form B. When passed through copper 2 plus, deep blue color solution C is formed. What is the formula of C from the following? Option A, copper hydroxide, B, copper carbonate copper hydroxide, and C, copper sulfate, and D, the complex it is formed. So, now, here kindly follow. The correct answer is, it is 4 is the correct answer. Because urea reacts with the water to form, it dissolve in solution to form urea, the correspondingly, which will decompose to form B, B when passed through plus C2. So that means what will happen now? It is converting into the corresponding complex CuNH3 2 plus, it is the complex formed. That is the formula for C from the following. Okay. Kindly verify from the reaction framework book. Okay. Question number 8. It is asked in NEET 2021. The incorrect statement among the following. Again, incorrect statement among the following. A. Actinoid contraction is greater for element to element than lanthanoid contraction. 2. Most of the trivalent lanthanoid ions are colorless in the solid state. Lanthanoids are good conductors of heat and electricity. And 4. Lanthanoids are highly reactive metal, especially when finely divided. So we have to find out which is the incorrect statement. So unless you study properly the properties of actinoids and lanthanoids, you cannot give the answer. What is the correct answer? Just see. The correct answer is 2. Most of the trivalent lanthanoid ions are colorless in the solid state is incorrect. Please follow. They are generally colored. Generally colored. So this is the correct answer. Question number 9. Question was asked in the year 2021. Zirconium is that equal to 40 and hafnium zirconium equal to, that is Z equal to the atomic number 72 have similar atomic and ionic radii because of kindly C. 1. Belonging to the same group, diagonal relationship, lanthanoid contraction, having similar chemical properties. So if you want to understand this, you must know about the group, know about the period, you must know. Zirconium and osmium coming, which group it is coming or which period it is coming, you have to find out. So here in this question, the correct answer is C. They are due to lanthanoid contraction. Both are zirconia and osmium or lanthanoid. It is because of the lanthanoid contraction they have similar atomic and ionic radii. Kindly follow. I hope I can come to the conclusion. So this is a very simple questions. Only theory background. There is no the explanation skill or the calculations required. So thank you very much, my dear students. So if you are a newcomer for my NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G channel, I request you kindly click like, click subscribe and share with your friends. Why I started this channel? There is a reason for that. When we are suffering, when we are, the entire world was suffering from corona for the 2 to 3 years, I was simply sitting in the house without going outside, eating, sleeping, and seeing TV. That's all. Then I was thinking, why can't you use this time to use usefully to help students of poor students of India in chemistry? As a chemist, I can think of only chemistry. Why can't I help? So that is the idea. It came to mind. I started preparing everything in the informations. Now I started this channel only for poor students of India. The students, if you're sincere students, especially poor, it is only for you. If you follow systematically my videos, lesson and question discussion, I can give you guarantee you get to 90 to 100% out of 100. And if you go for NEET, you will get 180 out of 180, 100% I can give guarantee. So you need not go for any tuition at all for chemistry. This is the important information for you, my dear students. Inform our other students to join with NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G in YouTube. I have another good news for students studying plus 2 and completed student waiting for again second time to write NEET entrance examination. So we are running a coaching center in Pondicherry in the name of Vetri Coaching Center. That is, Vetri's symbol stands for Venkateswara Training Institute, Vetri Coaching Center. It was running from 1999 for the last 21 years. We have a lot of achievements. The first achievement was occurred in 2003. One of our students, R. Srinivasa Raghavan from Patrick School in Pondicherry, came All India first in JIPMER examination. JIPMER entrance examination. He comes All India first rank. Kindly follow All India first rank. More than 10 lakh people have written, he came first. This is our first achievement. We started only in 1999. Within 4 years, we got this, achieved this. The second most important achievement of Vetri Coaching Center is every year, minimum 20, maximum 20, that is minimum 10, maximum 20 students are joining JIPMER Medical College through our institute. 150 to 200 students are joining other medical colleges through government quota by merit. Please follow. So few students are joining IIT, hundreds of students joining other engineering colleges outside in Pondicherry. Pondicherry and the other are Tamil Nadu. The most important achievement I want to inform is, out of 20 years, kindly follow, except one or two, a few years, all the first rank in Pondicherry means they will be in All India rank. Please follow. First rank in Pondicherry is taken only by Vetri Coaching Center. Everything is there in our website, Vetri.us. Go to the home page. You can see achievement. Open the achievement. You can see everything with the photograph, name, school, including the photo. Everything will be there. And also, kindly follow. So these are all proof achievement. Now, we are having our website, Vetri.us. What is the important feature of Vetri.us? So if you join with Vetri.us, you need not go to any entrance coaching or any tuition center, etc. You can stay in our house safely and you can read. Professors will come to your house and teach. Not only teaching, but also you can write test. Question will be automatically corrected by software. And also after the test, you can also see the marks and also where you have done mistake. Everything is provision is given. The only coaching, the website in All India, compared to all other online coaching center, we are having all these features. Let me explain one by one. Vetri.us is containing 200 video lesson. Another is 200 unit test. Please follow. So 200 video lessons were prepared by professors with a doctorate degree and 20 to 30 years of minimum experience were handling the classes. And when you look at the video lesson, you can feel the class atmosphere. You can see the teacher standing in front of the board, writing on the board, everything, erasing, everything you can see. It is like that. Another most important thing is, if you want to take notes, everything in the form of notes, if you want to take note, abstracts, any new formula, new definition, any diagram, anything, you can simply stop, touch the video, it will stop, you can take, or take screenshot, you can take. This facility is not available in other online coaching center. This is the important feature, number one. Number two, Kindly follow. So after taking, if you touch again, it will go. Any number of times you can view the lessons. This is the important information. So when we have framed the lesson, I have given instruction to consider IIT, CBSE, MSET Andhra, Tamil Nadu, that is a board, and also BH level. Keeping BH level we are taking. Because students who are writing for IIT, the question for advanced, that is the advanced question paper, will be higher level. It is not the normal higher secondary level. So we are giving up to that level, giving the coaching. Please follow. So coming for test, 200 unit test we are having. Kindly follow, my dear students. We have framed question papers for 200 unit tests. Each unit test have 45 question papers like our NEET Common Entrance Examination conducted by Government of India. Suppose you take D and F block elements. D and F block elements, we have two tests, test 1, test 2. Why I am giving always each unit two tests? There is a special interest for that. To first test you can self-assessment. Second test to improve your quality. This feature is not available in any other online coaching center. Since I am a professor having more than 45 years of experience, I have framed this and Mr. Ganesh, as according to my idea, framed this entire software so that it is feasible for me to bring to you successfully. So, all the questions are taken from 20-year question papers of IIT, AIMS, AFMC, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. So only these question papers which were asked in the previous question papers are only framed in unit test. No, not even single question we have framed. You can ask me, what is the advantage of this? Advantage is, where we have observed for the last 6 years, 75 to 80 questions, same questions are repeated. Same question. Repeated same question. That means Vetty.S giving you 320 marks for you. And if you are a good student and sincere, hardworking, you will get 300 plus. So easily you can get 650 to 700. You will become all India rank, become a doctor. So Vetty.S will make you become a doctor. I can give. Now, I want to give some information regarding our unit test. Our test is entirely different, not from other online coaching. It is entirely different. Important features are, let me explain now. First one, if we enter our site, witty.s through Chrome, then after registration, after login, then there is a test menu. You go for test and click your the D and F block element, for example, immediately a window will open. In the window, there is written, it will be there, you can read, this unit contains 45 questions. Each question carries 4 options. One of the option is correct. For correct answer, 4 marks. For wrong answer, -1 subtracted. Are you ready? It will ask. Then, if you want, that it will be okay. It will appear. If you click OK, what happens? Immediately first question will start. So before that, you keep ready a rough notebook and pen, then click OK. When you click OK, again a window will open. A window will open. What you can see now? Question number 1, you can see option A, option B, option C, option D, you can see there is clock is running from 45 minutes, and below that you have the menu. What are the menu will be there? There are 3 menus: complete, next, reverse. Center is complete, right side is next, left side is reverse. And even below that, there is 1 to 45 number, question number will be there. Only number in yellow color. Please follow. So what is the advantage? This yellow color is having a characteristic feature. Please follow me. Suppose you want to attend. Read the questions. Read the option A, option B, option C, option D. And if you observe A is the correct answer, then click A. When you click A, what will happen? Immediately a magic. The question number 1 to 45 in yellow color, question number 1 will become green color. 2 become yellow color. All other will be yellow color. The first number will be green, second number will be blue, all other will be yellow. So that means you what question you have attended, you can see directly, you can see the time also. So let us assume this way. After 20 minutes passed, you are writing the unit test. After 20 minutes passed, you can see the time, you can see how many questions green, how many questions yellow. So question number yellow, you can simply count it, you can say how many times is it possible. So you can adjust your time. This facility is not available in any other online coaching. So what will happen now? You can go through next, or directly you can touch the lowest yellow, that question will be displaced. So similar, so go answer all the 45 questions if possible. Suppose any question is not known, leave it. Don't get the minus mark. After completing 45, click complete. Immediately a window will open. The software will do correction within a second, and in display your mark as like this. Suppose this is for test 1, 140 by 180. That means you are losing 40 marks in chemistry. So you want to know where you have done mistake. You want to assess. So other online coaching center, this facility is not available. But in Vetty Daughters, we have facility. What is that? Next to the mark, there is a menu called review. Review. You press review, immediately a window will open. A window will open. What will be there? Question 1, you can see. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Then you will give correct answer. It is written as correct answer will be in yellow color. Correct answer will be in yellow color. It may be A, B correct, B may be correct, C may be correct, D may be correct. Whatever correct, that will be given here as correct answer. And below that, there is a called video solution. Below that, solution in the form of video. Kindly follow. So you have already clicked A as the correct answer. So if you see A, completely your answer will be in blue color, correct answer will be in yellow color. Compare with this. If both are same, your answer is right. If both are different, your answer is wrong. Kindly follow. So you can self-assessment you can do. Whether which question you have done mistake, which question you have done correctly, you can assess. That's called self-assessment test. Kindly follow. This facility is not available in any other online coaching. Please follow. Once after this over, suppose you have done mistake, you want to see the video solution, click the video. My dear students, I will say you must see all the video solution and note whatever new information, new formula, anything is new, just note in a particular separate notebook for one for chemistry, one for physics, one for math, like that you have to keep when you join with your daughters. If it is so it will be useful to you. Okay. If you click video, professor with a doctorate degree and 20 to 30 years of experience will explain the question like what way I have explained in the NEET Chemistry in YouTube by Dr.R.G channel in YouTube. The same way they will discuss. You can see in the video, teacher will be standing in front of the board. He will be writing, the question will be there on the board, answer is also will be on the board. He will read the option. Then he will give the theoretical explanation. If a problem, he will work out. Everything he will do, you can see directly. Even a weak student, adult student can easily understand the concept. But if you compare other leading online coaching center, you just verify, any online you verify, they are giving solution. If you click solution, it will go to option A, B, C, D. Whatever option is correct, in that option, they will write one word or one line will be typed. That's all. Typed matter will be there. With only one typed matter, how can you understand? Even dull student or average student, you cannot understand. So, we are explaining everything, theoretical explanation, the basic idea, what is necessary, what is the tricks, everything we are explaining. So these tricks is not at all given in any other online. Please follow. That is the advantage of petty daughters. So, after seeing the video, now please follow. I told you the first test is your capacity to assess your test, capacity. Then again, inside if you go, there is some other place, the same unit will be there. See, actually in vegetatus, there suppose you will assume there are 30 units, 30 units means 60 tests will be there. So 1 to 30, after 31, again 1 will come, like that. So the same unit will again repeat. So go to again the D block and F block elements. Now try. Please follow only after seeing all the video solution of first test. Now you will have 100% confidence. Now if you go for second test, you can see your mark will increase from 140 to 170 out of 180 minimum. Sometimes even you will get 180 out of 180. So this is the self-assessment and improvement. It can be done. That's why I have given these two tests from the same unit. So in all other cases, they are not, the one important drawback, see here, they are not giving unit wise, one drawback. So they are not following the 45 question of NEET unit. So they have taken entire portion, simply they are giving 5, 10 questions, 15 questions like that, or 45 questions. Suppose a first year student, if they are attending, how they can answer for the second year portion? Second year student, how will answer for again first year if they are? So the problem is. So since we are going by unit wise, you can strengthen unit wise your capacity. Then after finishing entire thing, we are giving our, in the site, overall test. That is 180 question test will be there. Then you can test your capacity. So, my dear students, so this is our website. It is only a low cost, only 10,000 rupees, low cost. So, it is suitable for even for poor student. For 1 year, you can utilize our video. For reading lesson, writing 200 tests. Imagine, for one test, even just you give 5 rupees. Just imagine 200 into 5 means automatically it will come even 1,000. So now we are giving now, most important here it is 200 tests we have. 200 tests means 200 into 45 questions. 200 into 45, then each question having a video solution. See, nothing, you need not study any other thing. Only from this question will come. Same question or similar question will come in the NEET Common Entrance Examination conducted Government of India. So, my dear students, if you are interested, join, pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, Director, Vetri Coaching Center, through Indian Bank account number 712719471 and IFC code IDIB000P134. Regarding my contact number, previously I was in India, now I am in Wolverhampton in UK. So the time is nearly 5.5 hours difference. So now time is morning 6:10. So probably you will be having, it will be approximately nearing 12. So what I want to say is, so you cannot directly contact, you go to the net website, that is WhatsApp phone, through that you contact me. Either through message or through on the phone you contact me. That's why I informing this. So thank you very much. Bye bye. See you again in my next topic, coordinated compound.